With its advanced cooking technology, this built-in electric single oven from Hoover gives you the recipe for a perfect performance in the kitchen. With a large 70-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions including a slow cook and defrost setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Hoover's incredible chef panel system creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the oven. A fan at the back of the cavity circulates hot air so it spreads evenly around every shelf. And because the heat is always moving, flavors from different foods won't mix. Now you'll be able to prepare different meals together and save time on cooking those amazing feasts. This model has a special coating on the inside to make cleaning effortless. The oven cavities are covered in greaseproof enamel, which stops food from sticking, so it can simply be wiped away with a cloth. This means your oven is really easy to maintain and you'll save time on cleaning. If you're looking for an electric single oven with advanced cooking technology to give you the perfect performance in the kitchen, this built-in model from Hoover is the one for you.